Lynn, I've been sick as a dog for a few days. My hobby. Oh yeah. Okay. Thought I had him all week almost. Yep. He is snoring. He's the cutest little thing. Look at that nose. And those lips. I never thought babies snored. Never even thought of it at all. He is the cutest. Look at